You think making money online is just for techie savvy influencers? Well, think again. We teach everyday people how to turn their unique skills into income streams through courses, memberships, and ebooks. Whether you're a contractor, coach, or a survivalist, yes, really, we've got your back. Start with our free guide. It's in the link below, and let's create something amazing and no snowshoes required. Can you keep a secret? The biggest barrier to making money online isn't tech or marketing or even the time it takes. It's you. It's that little voice in your head that you're not good enough, you're too old for this, or you don't even know where to start. Well, trust me, I've heard it all, but here's the thing. The voice in your head, it's been lying to you. We've worked with people from every background, contractors, coaches, therapists, artists, and even outdoorsmen, and they all had the same doubt at first. But you know what happened? Once they started and once they saw their first sale come in, whether it was $10 or $1,000, they realized they could do this. And so can you. And here's how we'll help you. Number one, let's start with your idea. Even if you think you don't have one, I promise you do. We could help you uncover your skill, knowledge, or experience that people will pay you for. Take Sarah, a hairstylist who didn't think she had anything to offer online. We helped her uncover her unique expertise, easy tutorials for styling hair at home. Now she's selling a video course called Salon Secrets for Everyday Hair that makes about $1,000 a month on the side for her. Number two, build your product. Whether it's a course, an ebook, or a membership, we'll guide you step by step to create something people want to buy. Here's another great example. Jim the outdoorsman, running around in his underwear in a snowstorm. He turned that wild story into an ebook and a video course on wilderness safety. His first launch made $8,000. His audience wasn't looking for fluff. They wanted actionable tips for someone who had been there and done that. Number three, make the techie stuff easy. We could show you how to set up everything you need, from funnels to lead magnets to payment systems, all without losing your sanity. I could remember once we had a client that called us in panic because she had accidentally sent out her first email with the subject line, "Insert catchy title here." She thought it was going to be a disaster, but guess what? Her audience loved it and thought it was intentional. The lesson? People don't need perfection. They need you. Number four, launch and sell. This isn't about crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. We'll teach you proven strategies to get your product in front of the right people. Like Jake, the flooring contractor, who had no clue how to market online. We used a simple lead magnet, 3 secrets to flawless hardwood floors, to attract his ideal audience. Then with that list, he launched a do-it-yourself flooring course that brought in about $15,000 for him. And that brings us to number 5, keep it going. Once you've got your first product live, we could help you scale it so that you're earning an income constantly. You know, after Jake's course success, he repurposed that content into a membership program where subscribers get new flooring tips and tutorials every month. It's now bringing in a nice passive income on autopilot. You know, Jim's snowstorm adventure wasn't about survival. It became the spark of his business. But he wasn't the only one turning mishaps into momentum. Remember the client who accidentally sent the email with "insert catchy title here"? She thought it was a disaster, but it taught her and her audience that perfection isn't always necessary. People want authenticity, and they want you. Are you ready to stop overthinking and start building your online income stream today? Grab your free guide, 25 Ideas for Creating Digital Products That Sell. Turn your expertise into an online income. It's in the link below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with one thing that you'd love to teach or sell online. Your future self will thank you, and we'll be here to help you every step of the way.